Hello everyone and a very warm welcome from the team at Gradeup. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome from the team at Gradeup. So today friends, we are back with another very important session on daily current affairs. So we are back with a very important session on daily current affairs. Am I clear friends? We are back with a very important and a crucial session on daily current affairs. So what are those important news and events that a student who is preparing for CLAT must and should know? First up, the Delhi High Court has refused to entertain a petition challenging the minimum air fees fixed by the central government. The central government a couple of days back has fixed the minimum air fees between two places. The central government a couple of days back has fixed the minimum air fees between two places on account of COVID-19. The same was challenged before the Delhi High Court. Now, Section 8B of the Aircraft Act of 1934 empowers the central government to make necessary measures to minimize the possible danger to public health in the event of an outbreak of any dangerous epidemic. In view of Section 8B Subclause 1 of the Aircraft Act of 1934, today the Delhi High Court has refused to entertain a challenge to the minimum air fees that has been fixed by the central government on all air tickets. So right now, the government of India has fixed minimum and maximum airfare between two places within India. The same was challenged. The Delhi High Court has said that we cannot sit on an appeal against the fixation of minimum and maximum airfares by the government. A very important and a crucial order coming from the Delhi High Court. Today, the Delhi High Court has refused to entertain the petition challenging minimum and maximum airfares by the central government. Up next, a petition has been filed before the Supreme Court seeking to rename the Bombay High Court as the High Court of Maharashtra. The High Court in the state of Maharashtra is called the Bombay High Court. Like the High Court in West Bengal is not called the High Court of West Bengal but the Calcutta High Court. Similarly, it is called a Bombay High Court and not the Maharashtra High Court. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking to rename Bombay High Court as the High Court of Maharashtra. The Bombay High Court happens to be the oldest High Court, one of the oldest High Court in India, which is located in Mumbai. It has jurisdiction over Maharashtra, Goa and the Union Territory of Dadar, Nagar, Haveli and Daman and Diu. The Bombay High Court has jurisdiction over Maharashtra, Goa, Union Territory of Dadar, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. The present Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court is Chief Justice Dipankar Datta. Justice Dipankar Datta has been newly appointed as the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. Justice Dipankar Datta was the former judge of the Calcutta High Court. Up, the Kerala High Court says right to education is a very sacrosanct right. Some of the schools in Kerala has started levying additional fees from students for holding virtual classes. Some of the schools in Kerala have started charging additional fees from students for holding virtual classes. The Kerala High Court has come down very heavily on these schools who are charging additional fees from students for holding additional virtual classes. The High Court of Kerala has said that right to education is sacrosanct in the Constitution of India, and it is the mandate of the government. It is the mandate under the right to children to free and compulsory education under the 2019 Act. So children has a fundamental right to be educated. Levying additional fees on students for conducting or holding virtual classes violates the very right. The Kerala High Court has also said that students should not be denied education for want of payment. That education should not be denied to students for want of payment of fees during this pandemic. Since the country is going through a very bad pandemic, students should not be denied education. Education should not be denied to students on want of fees. So if a person is unable to pay fees, he should not be denied education. That is what the Kerala High Court has today said. That right to education is a very, very sacrosanct right granted by the Constitution to children. A very, very important judgment. Uday Kotak has been appointed as the next CII president. Uday Kotak, banker Uday Kotak, has taken over as the president of the Confederation of Indian Industries. Uday Kotak has taken over as the president of the Confederation of Indian Industry for the year 2020 and 2021. Uday Kotak is the managing director and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. Uday Kotak is the MD and CEO, managing director and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. A very, very important thing. Uday Kotak takes over as the president of the Confederation of Indian Industry. The Confederation of Indian Industry works to create and sustain an environment conducive to the development of India, partnering industry, government, and civil society through advisories and consultative process. So the function of the Confederation of the Indian Industry is to create a sustainable environment conducive for the growth and development of India. They work with the government, they work with the industry, they work with the civil society through a consultative process for the development and growth of the Indian industrial environment. Am I clear, friends? A very, very important thing. Uday Kotak becomes the next president of the Confederation of Indian Industry. Very, very important and a little more crucial for people who are sitting for CLAT 2020 examination. Very, very important. Uday Kotak becomes the president of Confederation of Indian Industry. Am I clear? Up next, a very, very important appointment has taken place. Ravish Kumar. Ravish Kumar has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Finland. Former spokesperson of the External Affairs Ministry, former spokesperson of the External Affairs Ministry, Ravish Kumar has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Finland. A very, very important thing, friends. Please note this down because these are the things that can come in your examination. Since your CLAT examination has been postponed, you don't know that they might ask you questions that are relevant. That is what CLAT is saying. And that is why we at Gradeup are bringing to you such important information. Do like the session. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and definitely share this video with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Share this video, like the video. Friends, we at Gradeup has come up with a very, very important master course or a Scoreup course for people who are appearing for CLAT 2020. We have already launched the batch 3 of Scoreup course. This course will provide you all details insofar as your preparation for CLAT 2020 is concerned. Those of you who hasn't enrolled yourself, download the Gradeup application on your mobile phone and start with the free classes. We are providing some free classes through our Gradeup application. Download the Gradeup application so that you can join some free classes that we are providing. Am I clear, friends? Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much, and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you.